So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Zoom in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you have not already installed Zoom in your MacBook, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open any browser that you want and tap in Zoom download. And once you're here, you'll see this option, and right below you'll see download Zoom for Mac. You just need to go ahead and tap there, and now you'll see these options. Like download for Apple Silicon or download for Intel. So whatever MacBook that you have, just go ahead and tap on it. I have Apple Silicon, so I'll just tap there. As you can see, the Zoom installer is downloading. So guys, that's how you download Zoom in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.